there to retrieve the papers, you cannot serve.
But if they saw her already and spoke to her, that's resistance. Is that correct?
They're downstairs. But they're like, one minute come down.
So, no, we're in the balcony.
Can you explain to Jordan?
My concern is this. Let's say we resist right now. One second. Let's say we resist right now. They can just get a work tomorrow. We can walk on. Is that not correct?
Bree, on the other hand, if they cannot serve Bree properly, they will set up that comes outside, and that's the caliber. Now listen, if they have
Dude, don't fucking do that!
Oh my god.
Are you fucking retarded?
Dude, you're gonna bail me out if something happens. Okay, I'm right here. Sorry, I have winter in my hands. Guys, shut up.
If they do not say the words, you've been served, then they did not serve you. But Bree, you might sit outside all night long, all day, until they can serve you. Because if we
Travis.
do not...
Wait, hold on.
Travis.
Hold on, guys. Hey, get that phone. Mia, bring me the phone.
I got your back.
Mia, bring me the phone.
How hard is this?
Bro, I heard you suck. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry, what'd you say, Cole?
It's okay, I was trying to say that it's a very serious situation. If you're outside your home and you don't answer, this is what you have to do. They can still serve you eventually. Avoiding the service doesn't make it go away. Basically, they can send it by mail, by email, and plus publication, which means that they can have someone else do it. They can sit outside. However, if they actually have a warrant for you, and let's say that for some, okay, so if there's a court order in Texas, and you cross the state lines without permission, it's considered parental kidnapping. And under the federal law in custody jurisdiction, it is a felony. And the federal offense under the parental kidnapping, it's a whole act. It's called like Parental Kidnapping Act. And if you violate the custody order, you can have a warrant for your arrest. So if you do not answer the door, they cannot serve you. Do not answer the door.
Okay. Well, I'm not going outside, but we've been, like, I talked to them over the balcony. They're trying to get me to come down and, like, read the papers, basically. But I wouldn't know.
Yes. The second you get downstairs, Bree, they will say the words, you've been served, and they'll do it. If they had a warrant for your arrest and you give me a house, they could easily call the judge and say, we need a search warrant.
Okay, but how likely is it that they're going to get a warrant for tomorrow? Because, I mean, that seems like the next obvious step. They will. It's just the next obvious step.
Did they say the words, it's going to be a warrant for your arrest?
No, but that's the next obvious step. Of course they're going to do that.
No, you don't know that. It's a civil matter. It's nothing to do with them.
No, unfortunately it does, because you crossed state lines, so it became state and federal now. So, Bree, because you crossed the state of Texas line into the state of California, it became federal.
Okay, so they eventually can get a
That's
warrant?
what I'm saying.
Yes, they can. If a child is taken across state lines, it is they can move very quickly to issue a warrant for your arrest.
Very
100%.
They might not do it
in
before
the
tomorrow.
same day, depending on the urgency. And the
So what do you think I should do right now? Do you think I should just...
Well, they can pull federal charges on you, Bree. So if it's things that you're afraid of fleeing, then they can push it to the federal level. If you ignore the attempt, first of all, do not try to leave.
I'm not going to try and leave. I was just going to stay in the house. Everyone shut up.
What are you doing? I'll watch it. I need to talk to her. She's trying to do something.
If you have your lawyer, if you still have a lawyer, Bree, you need to ask your lawyer what to do. And right now, I'm just telling you what you're legally going through. Right now, they have not served you, so you do not have to abide by the court order. If you were previously told in writing, you need to return Winter by noon, then you have to do it, or they will issue a warrant for your arrest, and they can do that within 3 hours.
But they're saying it was filed as an ex parte, which does not require in-person service. Is that correct?
If they send anything in writing, email, any form of publication, any form of absolutely any writing, and you ignore it, it does come a warrant.
Did they send you an email?
They did, right? Be honest.
So, who? No, my other phone is lost from yesterday. I don't know where it's at. That was the only one I have.
I don't want to take the chance of them actually having sent it.
Yeah, but I never received it. I don't have the fucking phone. That's the only one I have his lawyer on.
I don't know if that's going to hold in court.
Offer and DNA test.
Alright.
Hey, chest with chest.
Guys, I think I'm going to go to the courthouse tomorrow and file that he has to take a DNA test, and he cannot get Winter until then, because I don't want to send my son with a stranger.
Smart.
So what are you trying to do?
I don't know. I think
they could just get a warrant today, which they probably will. Because this is, you crossed.
I think I should get a lawyer first and see if I can file something for, like...
I don't think you're going to get, you're going to be way too slow. It's going to end with a warrant and you giving it back. Either way.
I mean, you can probably...
That's unfortunate.
So what do they want?
You may be able to hold it off one day, max.
So what do they want me to do? They want me to hand the child to the cops or to him?
You might as well get him back before you have a warrant to go to jail.
I think right now...
Should I go to jail? I'm kidding.
Past this point,
I think go to jail just for the experience.
Past this point, absolutely nothing could happen. They said if Winter's even back. I asked them criminally, you can't be charged in Texas, you can't be charged here.
No, he said he doesn't know about Texas, but he knows about here.
Wait, ask him how long I'll be in jail.
No, wait, stop. No, I asked him. I was like, okay, that's not very specific. Wait, Santos, wait, this is important.
It's my phone.
Oh, it's your phone, okay. I asked them, I was like, listen, is she going to get tried in Texas and get a felony? And they said no, because it was her time to see her child. They said that would be a civil thing.
Okay.
They said that would not be criminal if you give Winter back right now.
Well, can I do it tomorrow morning?
No.
Why
We
not?
have things to do this weekend.
I know we do, but
My birthday tomorrow.
look, I know Winter's supposed to spend Santos.
I know, Winter, we're supposed to be here for my birthday.
But in all seriousness, I think we're prolonging the inevitable. That's
Well, I guess I may have to... I'll take the papers first. Can somebody grab the papers for me?
I can grab the papers, what's that going to do?
I'll have to read them. I'm not going to just trust invisible papers.
No. Yeah. Well, can I take pictures of them and bring them down?
Okay, Cole, what if I go grab the papers and then I tell them that like I got an attorney and my attorney needs to see them, so I'm waiting on my attorney to get here.
You can't do it.
They serve you, they serve you.
Once you're served, you're
They can
served.
give you a warrant for not abiding by it if you're served.
Once you're served, you're served.
Great. That the problem is that once you are served papers, it said they can flip a warrant against your arrest. Now they can also serve you papers.
Just pretend you're not here. So they can serve you.
They can
But the cops just told me they cannot electronically serve anything. That's what I asked them. They said in California you cannot. That's what they just told me.
It's in California.
It's in
Still.
California.
Okay, so they might not be able honestly, they're probably gonna stake it out, knowing the state of California. They're gonna stake it out.
Well, that's not gonna.
They're not gonna get upset because of the remote.
At this point,
Hey Cole, how long do I go to jail for?
bro, I agree.
You would never see winter.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Dude,
fine.
dude, let's just. I don't want to stop you from.
Okay, but I want to see the papers. I'm not just gonna trust their word for it. They're just.
It's either you serve it or served. Let me see if I can have a workaround. Let me talk to
They're back like 30 minutes later.
Let me see.
Yeah, tell them I need time to read the papers. What the fuck? I'm not allowed to read the papers?
I will tell you that for your friends that are in the house with you right now, they can also get
I know, but I'm just saying I'm gonna go get the papers, but I don't have to. I get like 30 minutes to read them, no?
No, so once you get the papers read, you do not abide by them, they will file an arrest warrant.
I think it's worth delaying another. You have to. I don't want him. I don't want you not to be able to ever see me. That's not. The
Love you. Okay, guys, I think we gotta stay here.
Free. It's best for everyone to not open the door or speak to the police right now.
Yeah, no one's talking to them. So I should just go down there by myself?
They're saying to have one. They're saying to have one guy come in.
Good for you is to accept the papers and immediately contact a lawyer. Right before you open the door, what is the reason for your presence?
Okay. Get a reason. Okay, got it. So second we get down there, ask them what is the reason for your presence. Hey sir, question. What is the reason for your presence?
He's fucking walking away. Who are those guys? I gotta change winter.
And what do they?
Here, just take this over there. No, basically.
I'll give you your camera.
Okay, you're gonna go?
Yeah, me and you.
You're bringing the baby?
You'll stay behind the. I can't. I'm trying to figure it out. Should I go this way?
No, don't open the door. Tell them. Oh, fucking, why is this door?
Officer, what is the reason for? Well, you let us read the ones that we did not receive. That's what they said. They're gonna let us read the court order we did not receive, and they want to take the child. That's what they said.
They want to take the child.
Yes.
So let me hand. You stay back. No, wait. Let me.
Travis, shut up!
One sec. You think the best idea is for me to hold Winter in hand, Winter over, and let Bree go back?
No.
No. So what should I do? What should I do?
If the police are saying they want to take the baby, you can one, ask for a custody enforcement action. And this is what's going on. A custody enforcement action, meaning a court in Texas has ordered the child to be returned, or CPS is possibly involved. Here's what you need to do. One, just be super calm about it. Ask them to see any court order. You have the right to see the documentation before they take away the child.
Yes.
May I please see the court order authorizing you to remove my child?
Got it. So should we leave Winter with somebody else, or should we have them give us a court order behind the door?
Leave Winter inside the house.
Got it.
And you need to also record this.
John, come record all this for no, on your phone.
You can record it. Bring Winter. Take
Wow.
Winter upstairs. You can record it on.
Mia's coming to get him.
A child from the state of Texas, which means that they can enforce their return. Like if they say you're
He's gonna want you to hold him while he watches me stream, John.
to do it, they can close the house.
So they could borrow. I'm sorry. Say that again. Bree needs to hear this. Why would they?
If you have that door, Bree, and they have paperwork that says the state of Texas is removing him from your custody, they do have the right to walk in the house and take Winter.
Okay.
You have to open the door for them, though.
Yeah.
Okay.
So right now we just need to grab the paperwork.
Yeah. We just gotta just be very. Let me be quick. You need to run it first. I'm gonna push this.
To grab the paperwork?
Just
Are we gonna tell them that we're grabbing the
No,
paperwork?
no, just come out.
You want me to come
I don't
outside?
want them to judge me. John, close that door right now,
Close
please.
it. What?
Bree, really quickly, I really want you to say, you cannot legally stop them from taking Winter or acting under the authority of the court. But you can just say, I'm going to accept the papers, but I am refusing to hand over the baby.
Okay.
But that could escalate to kidnapping, so you
Yeah,
need
yeah,
to read
I
the
wouldn't.
papers before
I
you
wouldn't.
Yeah,
Let's read
I'm
the
gonna read
papers
them,
first. Okay, so what we're gonna do? Would you rather us get off the phone with you after this and send you pics of the paperwork? Would you rather FaceTime us? Should we read it in front of you? What's the best way to go about it? Where we know where?
If I can hear what they say, that's fine.
Okay,
But
yeah.
I want you to know that if they say we are here to take Winter and you refuse, they can arrest you on the spot. They might not have any warrant now, but
they
if
can
you
arrest-
refuse,
yeah.
then they right on the spot say, okay, you're now under arrest for kidnapping.
Yeah.
So I can just tell them for now I just want to accept the paperwork?
If it doesn't say you're required, if it doesn't say she's required to give Winter back right now, is that correct? Only
You
if.
should say this. Can I please see the court-ordered documents authorizing you to take my child?
Okay, I'm gonna have you say. I'm gonna have you say that one more time so we can reiterate to them. We're
You want me to go
in front
out
of
there?
them. Yes, she has to go out there, right?
No.
No.
Who?
Bree. Me.
To accept the paperwork.
No one else can accept the paperwork.
Okay,
You're the
let's
one.
go.
Okay, free
And Bree, listen. If they hand you that paperwork and it says they can take Winter, you need to say, okay, I would like to go say goodbye and pack his bag.
Yeah.
And you need to say, where is he going?
Okay.
Okay,
Mine's
good.
good, mine's good.
Okay, sounds good. We're gonna go out.
I'm gonna go accept the papers.
All right, guys, go. Well, you can stay. Just close the door, please. Yes.
I have to.
That's the right thing to do. Okay. All right. Go.
Hi, I'm just gonna accept the papers stating that you're authorized to take the child. I just want to see them.
Okay, I want you to read them.
Yeah, I would love to.
You can leave.
Okay, thank you.
You can take a photo of it.
Yeah, I would love to do a photo
Just go
session.
through the pages also.
Just read it
first. Read it first, and then you
May I
take a
ask you what was that phrase that has to be in there for them to legally take Winter?
Close the door.
It says that just says they're authorized to take the child. The state of Texas is requesting that he's removed or he's returned.
Where's it say that, sir?
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna read the whole thing for me.
Okay, I really don't
I
know.
want you to read it.
Okay, temporary emergency ex parte orders, child custody visitation, other two, Brianna Olsen respondent, child custody Winter, visitation parenting time, the temporary orders for physical custody care and control of the minor children, and 3 are subject to the other party or party's rights of violation. Parenting time as follows: specified respondent, release Winter into petitioner John Michael Gacy Jr.'s custody. Respondent's visits with Winter to be professionally supervised in Dallas County, Texas, only moving forward. The exchange shall occur on Tuesday, March 25th at 12 p.m. noon in the lobby of the LAPD Central Division, 251 East 6th Street, LA, California 90014. This location is closest LAPD station to respondent's last known address of record.
Sir, I'm gonna need that business card that states you're gonna waive us not knowing that it was to be delivered.
Okay, thank you.
Please get it written up, just
That's what it said, Cole. That's what it said.
Sure, thank you.
This means that the judge issued an emergency order to give the other parent temporary legal rights of Winter. So you have this violation of the custody order. The order gives them legal authority to remove your child immediately. It is usually short term, but 3 they can't take him.
Okay, so I should just give him now?
You should ask, you say, if you disagree, they can arrest you and you can use your permanent custody.
Okay.
Got it. Okay, so you were saying to ask if we could just pack his stuff and say goodbye. How long is atypical of us to have for this specific situation?
Why don't you ask and just say, so are you legally required to remove him from my custody in this very moment?
Are you guys legally required to remove the baby from our custody at this very moment? Just what it states right there.
You're
They're
saying what
pointing
it
us back to the paperwork and saying what it states
Say
right there.
in a verbal confirmation, are you here and required to take the baby out of my custody?
Sorry, we just need a verbal confirmation.
So we need a verbal confirmation. But we need a verbal confirmation that you guys are here to take it right now. Take it right now. Got it. But this says it was supposed to be done at noon. So this isn't saying that you guys have to come here and take him right now. I'm not trying to be difficult. I just want for legal purposes.
You guys didn't take him there.
Yeah, I never got the
We never
paperwork,
got the
so
message.
I'm just finding this out now.
You should write a business card saying we didn't get it.
You want to ask him for verbal confirmation? Okay, sorry, we just had a question.
So can we have verbal confirmation that you guys are required to take Winter at this very moment?
Yes, we require to take her at this very moment.
Take him at this very moment. Okay,
So
so
it should have been as of noon, but she said she wasn't aware.
okay. Can we take him to?
Can we
pack his stuff, say goodbye, and bring him within a couple hours?
No, you can do it right now.
Okay.
We're here right now.
How long?
How long do we have?
10 minutes? 15
Do
minutes?
we have a reason? Yeah, 15, 20 minutes to do this. Yeah, right? Okay. All right, we'll do it. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Do you have any questions? Did you take a photo of this?
I
No,
didn't.
let's do that.
Okay, let's do that right now.
Yeah, I'm not
Have
gonna
it
take pictures. Then can we please start getting that business card written up, saying this
As
shall
soon
not be
as you
penalized?
take your photos,
Sure, I will write your business. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Bree, you absolutely can say respectfully, can I please be the one to take and drive the baby, returning him to his father so that he does not. You can say this. I understand. I want to cooperate. May I please be the one to return my son to his father so it's not a traumatic experience for him?
You don't want to drive him?
I mean, he's already
you
done.
want to take him down the hill?
In the police car?
We're gonna.